Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Techie. If you're getting into Java programming, Android development, or even web development, Eclipse IDE is one of the most popular and powerful tools available, but installing it properly can be a little confusing if you're new. So in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Eclipse IDE on your Windows system, step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to eclipse.org, downloads. You'll see a big button that says Download 64-bit. Click that. On the next page, your download should begin automatically. Once it's done, open the installer. You'll now see a list of Eclipse IDE options. If you're a Java programmer, choose Eclipse IDE for Java developers. For other languages, pick the version that fits your needs. Click Install and accept the license agreement. Eclipse will start downloading and setting up the IDE. This part can take a few minutes depending on your internet and system speed. Once it's done, Eclipse will ask you to select a workspace location. This is the folder where all your projects will be stored. You can leave it as default or set a custom path. Click Launch and Eclipse will load up. And there it is. Your IDE is ready to go. You can now start creating Java projects, exploring plugins, and writing code smoothly. One quick tip. If you get slow startup times, try disabling unused plugins from the Help menu to make Eclipse run faster. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel How to Fix Techie and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.